Hey everyone, want to download WinRAR on your computer? WinRAR is a popular file compression and archive management tool that supports formats like RAR and zip. In this full guide, I'll show you how to safely download WinRAR in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official WinRAR website. Yeah, it's important to download WinRAR from the official source to avoid modified or potentially unsafe installers. Next, find the Download section and choose the version that matches your Windows installation. Most modern Windows computers use 64-bit Windows, but check your system information if you're not sure. Click the appropriate Download button to download the WinRAR installer. The download should begin automatically, and your browser will normally save the installer in your Downloads folder. Before installing any software, make sure the installer came from the official WinRAR source. Avoid downloading WinRAR from random websites or unofficial file-sharing pages. Now double-click the WinRAR installer. If Windows displays a user account control prompt, review the publisher information and select Yes if everything looks correct. Follow the installation instructions and choose your preferred options. The default settings are generally suitable for most users. When you're finished, click *Done or close the installer. After installation, open WinRAR from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. You should now be able to browse folders, create archives, extract files, and manage RAR and zip files. For the best experience, always download WinRAR from its official website, keep the software updated, avoid suspicious archive files, and use a reliable antivirus solution. Never open compressed files from unknown sources unless you trust the sender and know what's inside. And that's how to download WinRAR in 2026. Whether you need to compress files, extract archives, or manage RAR and zip files, installing WinRAR is quick and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.